In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to Stripe in Systeme.io. By the end, you'll have Stripe linked to your Systeme.io account, so you can start collecting payments smoothly and securely. Before we begin, make sure you can sign in to both Systeme.io and your Stripe account, and that you have any two-factor authentication device handy if you use it on Stripe. First, open your browser and go to Systeme.io. Then sign in to reach your main dashboard. From the dashboard, look to the top right corner for your profile menu. Click it to open the drop-down, then choose Profile. On the Profile page, select Settings to open your account settings. Inside Settings, you'll see a navigation panel on the left. Find Payment Gateways in that panel and click it. This is where Systeme.io connects to services like Stripe to process your payments. On the Payment Gateways page, look for the Stripe option. When you find it, click Connect to start the secure authorization flow. A Stripe window will open to verify your account. Type in your Stripe email address and click Continue. For security, Stripe may prompt you to confirm your email again and then enter your password. Go ahead and provide the requested details. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on Stripe, complete that step as well when prompted. Once everything is filled in, click Submit to sign in to Stripe and authorize the connection. After you submit, Stripe will redirect you back to Systeme.io. Give it a second to process, and you should see that Stripe now appears as connected on your Payment Gateways page. If the page doesn't update right away, a quick refresh usually does the trick. From here, your checkout pages and offers inside Systeme.io can use Stripe to accept payments. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're connecting the correct Stripe account if you manage more than one, especially if you separate test and live environments. Use the same email that you normally use to access Stripe, and ensure you have the right permissions on the Stripe account. If you run into an error, double-check any pop-up blockers, confirm your two-factor code if requested, and try the process again in a fresh browser tab. That's it. You've connected Stripe to Systeme.io by navigating to your profile settings, opening Payment Gateways, selecting Stripe, and completing the secure Stripe, sign in, and submit steps. You're now ready to accept payments through your funnels and pages with confidence.